Hello and welcome back to our Angular learning tutorial series. So in our last video we saw that even though we have tried to call and consume get endpoint from our web API, so it was giving us an error that this local host value is this API is running on 44303 and our application is running on 4200. And you can also read the error that access to HTML request from origin has been blocked by CORS policy. So which is nothing but what we have to do is we have to go to our web API and we have to allow that. And to do that, we just need to go to our web API and here just go to our Solution Explorer. And here what we have to do is we have to go to app start folder. Under app start under web API config we have to add the policy that any UI whichever UI is trying to consume our API, so we want to allow them to use our web API. So that is pretty much simple. Let's just add that policy. Yeah, so to add that, first, you just have to go to your project, just right click here, and here, uh, just click on Manage NuGet Package. Let me just increase the screen size here. Okay, I don't know what is the option. Anyway, so if you just right click on the references, click on Manage NuGet Packages. So it will give you this screen, and here what you have to do is you have to search for Microsoft dot ASP.NET dot web API and dot CORS. Okay, so what we are saying that we want to install this. So just select it and just take the version 5 here, because at the moment it is not showing the version 4.7. So hopefully this version should work for us. So select it and click on install. And once you install it, so it will help us in resolving the CORS issue. So as you can see that it got installed, and let's hope we should not face any problem. So let's come back here, and here what I want to do is I want to enable the CORS connection. I mean the CORS, which is nothing but allowing the other UIs to consume our APIs. So I'll just simply go a little bit up here, and I'll say config dot enable CORS, and we'll write the bracket and we'll close it, and under this we'll say new enable uh, CORS attribute, and just click on this bulb and use this using system dot http web dot http dot CORS. And here inside that we just have to pass the arguments, and the argument will be our UI. So what is the UI here? This is the UI. Just copy the URL of our UI and paste here. And then what we want is uh, that we want all the endpoints with all the functions. So we want to access all the endpoints from our API and all the functions from our API. So that's why we are giving this. So let's try to run this, and let's try to see whether that problem got resolved or not. So for that, what we have to do, we just have to go back to our application, and just see, wait that, let it. Yeah, so our API is running. So let's click on department again, or let's just reload our project and click on departments, it is still giving us this problem. So let's go back to our API, and I think we don't need this forward slash. So stop this and run it again, and hopefully this should resolve our problem. So I'll just come back to our uh, UI page, and I'll try to reload it again, and let me see if our API is running. Yes, it is running. So click on departments, and here we can see that we are now able to read the data. The thing is, we just have to remove the forward slash from here and just rerun our API, and this will solve our problem. So we will just end our video session here. In our next video, we'll see the sorting feature. We want to add the sorting feature to our table. So we'll sort it by department ID, department name. Until then, thank you for visiting our channel. Keep watching our tutorials, and we will see you in our next video. Thank you.